Hey everyone, a warm welcome from Noble Techno School YouTube channel. In our last class for grade 3 students, I said you a very beautiful story, right? Do you remember? What is that? It's a foggy figure, right? Yes. I know even now, you people are remembering that story, no? It was very nice story of Samira and Sarah, right? Yes. Today I'm going to tell same of foggy figures foggy figure stories grammar I'm going to tell today, okay? So you're ready for that? So you will enjoy this, okay? So come, let's see what is it, okay? This is a noun, you know already what is noun, right? But in this noun we are having many different kinds of many types of nouns, okay? Today we are going to learn one by one. So in this video I'm just going to give a smaller recapitulate of nouns, that is common noun, common noun, proper noun and about compound noun, okay? These three I'm going to tell in this, okay, in this lesson, okay? Now I'm going to tell about this, okay? Okay. First, tell me, how are you all? Are you doing good? I hope everybody is, safe at home and you're enjoying your holidays, right? Yes. Okay, come, let's learn a very interesting topic and, I'm going to give a interesting activities in later on videos also, okay? Yes, we are going to discuss about the grammar topic which is there in the foggy figure, okay? So, the grammar, do we have, okay, very different nouns I said, right, in that. So we are going to learn about now noun, okay? And first, we are going to see what is it here. So you can see here a lady is sipping something, right? So what is she having early morning? Usually, we used to have a tea in winter, okay, hot tea, right? Because the winter is very cool and cold and it's very chill, right? Okay, yes, and we feel to have something hot, so you have it, right? Yes, and you can just see here you have something with three different color. One is black and one is red and another one is green, right? Yes, it is three different color, black, red and green. So what are the red and green color? So here, morning in a red color, winter in a red color and tea is in a red color, right? Yes or no? Yes. And that is a common noun, okay? Every morning will be there. It is not specified. Tuesday, Wednesday. It is only a morning. Tuesday morning or Wednesday morning they are not said. It is just a morning, okay? And winter is also a common noun. It is only a winter. They are not telling it's a very cold or chilly or very, when they have not given specified a winter name, okay? December winter or October winter, they have not said anything about that. So it is, just a, common noun. And tea, it is just a tea, that's it. They have not specified anything, only tea is a common noun. If I give a Lipton tea, Lipton's is a brand, okay? It's a company name. So if it is a brand name, so what we have to do, it is we call as a proper noun, okay? Yes, it is a proper noun. Whereas morning, winter and tree, they are in the general way of addressing that a particular time and particular thing, okay? Yes, so that's the reason we call that as a common noun, okay? So you remember what exact is common and proper noun? Yes, if anybody is here. Yeah, a weather condition in which mistake. Yeah, and do you are confused of this? Okay, no issues. I am going to revise it once again very quickly, okay? So Come, let's see what is common and what is proper noun. Yes, here Amar and the fisherman are fishing some fish in the stream. What happened here? Stream is here. You can observe in this sentence common and proper noun also. Okay, look at the picture here now. Okay, yes, it is a cool weather, right? Very cool, very cool, right? Very cool weather. Generally winter has these weather. Okay, yes, winter have these weather, right? Okay, so Amar is a name of a man. Yes, yes, so it is a proper noun. When it is a particular mentioning a name, if they said a person, then it is a common noun. We are particularly telling Amar. Okay, Amar, so it is a proper noun. Okay, and as fisherman is not having a name here, but only identifying him here as a fisherman, so we call him as a common noun. Okay, yes, again now fish here. Fish again not a name. We are not giving him a particular name. Okay, fish to identify the particularly as a fish. Okay, so it is a common noun. And here stream again we identify as a lake. If we give any particular name for that, then it is a proper noun. We are not giving any proper noun there. We are not giving a Jamuna or what we are not giving any lake name or any stream name, so it is a common noun. It doesn't have any particular name, so it is a common noun. So come, let's see more about the common noun to get clarify more. Okay, common noun and proper noun. So words that identify common people, animals, place and things. Example like man, lady, lion, face, boat. Okay, these are common noun. Okay, yes, naming with a name, so it is only with a name, means man, lady, just commonly they are telling, then it is a common noun. It is a common to all, and hence not capitalized unless it is used at the beginning of the sentence. What happens here? Common nouns only in a how we identify that? Only starting it be a capital letter, that's it. In middle, if any such comes, it comes in a small letter. Otherwise, if you, yes, example, you can just see here, lion is the king of the jungle. Okay, this is a common noun. Lion, it might be any lion. Okay, they have not said particularly one Sher Khan like that. Okay, next, okay, proper noun. Specific names given to the people, animals, place and things are called proper noun, right? Like people, like Ram, here it is only man, and here Ram. Here lion, here is a Simba. Okay, and place is a Guntur, that here only place. Okay, and thing is a Maruti, particular they have said. Okay, this is, we have to write capitalized in a middle also. If any sentence comes proper, if any sentence in middle of the sentence, if you get any proper noun also, you have to write in a capitalized. You have to write a capital letter only. Okay, and proper noun are special and capitalized even in the middle of the sentence. Okay, yes, Krishna lives in the Bangalore. Yeah, that is a common and proper noun. So hope you got the difference between common and proper noun, right? Apart from the common and proper noun, we are now going to start a compound noun. Okay, what is compound noun? It is formed by joining two different nouns. Yes, it is formed with the two different nouns. Okay, what do you mean two different nouns? Which is again, now I will give an example, sunflower. Okay, so sunflower will be a compound noun. Why? Because we have two nouns here. Sun is a noun and flower is also a noun. Okay, if we join these two together, then we'll get a Yes, compound noun. Okay. Yes. Noun in that words are so always remember when you have two nouns put together, then you call that as a compound noun. Okay. So compound nouns can be capitalized also. Okay. Yes. It can, sorry, mistake. Compound nouns are not capitalized. Okay. In the middle also, if they come anything, then it is not a capitalized. Okay. So next, it is not capitalize. So for example, keychain. Okay, how will you write the keychain? Keychain, how will you write? You add you add a gap in the between, or not? Will you write together? We will write together, right? Yes. Now here ice cream will give a hyphen here, right? Yes, ice hyphen cream, or we give a space. Okay, we use hyphen in the between or the some time or gap also, right? Even this is also a compound word. Okay, but the rule should be with the two nouns. Okay, example, let's see here, example, haircut, king size, 1/3 hyphen is there, handbag. Okay, if you give a space also, it's a compound noun. If it is not also, if we doesn't give a gap also, it's a compound noun only. Okay, we can give hyphen also. Okay, yes. So come, let's see, it's a activity time. We'll just do this and we'll wind it up. Okay, see the pictures and guess if it is a common noun, a proper noun, or a compound noun. So common noun shows a cat with your hands. Okay, proper noun shows a peacock with your plumage. Okay, next compound noun shows butterfly with your hands. Okay, so this is a activity. For common noun you have to show cat, for proper noun peacock, plumage, and for compound noun you have to show butterfly. Okay, so remember these action. You have just close your eyes for a second and remember it, and I'll give a 4 seconds for you. Remember it, the action. Common is butterfly. Okay, you have to put a cat. Okay, sorry, you have to put a cat with your hands. Proper noun peacock, and compound noun butterfly with your hands. Okay, so ready, steady, go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Okay, so let's check the pictures now. Okay, so what is this? It's a pencil, right? What is a pencil? What is a pencil? It's a common noun or proper noun? It's a common noun, right? Yes. So for common noun, what you have to do? We have to put a, butterfly, cat on your face. Okay, yes, you can just see here, cat with your hands. Okay, cat with your hands. If it is a common noun, cat with the hands. Yes, next it is a cat. It is a common cat. That's it. Okay, if it is a common cat, then you have to put a, yes, right. Okay, a cat on with your hand. If I give you as a something like Pinky for cat, what will you do? It is a proper noun, right? Pinky cat. If I tell you Pinky, then it is a proper noun. If it is a proper noun, you have to show a butterfly action. Okay, yes. So next is, what is this here? Yes, tell me. Yes, pencil is finished, right? And cat is completed. Yes, now it is a pineapple, right? Yes, pineapple is a common noun or proper noun? It is a common noun. If I tell a yellow pineapple, then if I give any name, then it is a proper noun. If it is a common noun, then again a cat with your hands. Yes. Next, it is a, what is this? I have given a planet. Which planet is this? I have given here Saturn, right? Yes. Particularly, I am given a telling as a Saturn. Then it is a, yes, proper noun. For proper noun, you have to, show your hands with peacock. Okay, you have to do action of peacock. Okay, yes. So next is a proper noun. Proper noun, what is this? Popcorn. Sorry, next is a popcorn. It's a common noun. For common noun, we have to, show a cat action. Okay. Next, it is a sweater. If I said it's a woolen sweater, then it is a proper noun. I'm telling only a sweater, then it is a common noun. Then you have to, show a cat with your hand. Then it is a, what is this? Flamingo. Flamingo, if I tell it is a pink flamingo, then it is a proper noun. I'm just telling a flamingo, then you are having many flamingos, then it is a common noun. You have to act like a cat. Okay. Next is sunglass. Okay. Next is a sunglass. Okay. Now if I show sunglass, if I tell any brand name, okay, then it is a proper noun. I am just telling a sunglass. What is it? Sun plus glass, sunglass. What is it? Yes, you're right. It is a compound noun. So act like a butterfly from your hand. Okay. Okay. Sun plus glass is sunglass. Okay. That is a compound noun. Very good. Okay. Next is a camera, right? Yes. Camera. If I tell a Samsung camera, then it is a proper noun, right? Yes. If I tell normal camera, it's a camera, then we have to act like a, yes, cat. Then it is a lipstick. Yes. Lipstick. Lipstick is a, yes, you people are very good. You're right. It is a compound word. Lip plus stick. Lipstick. It's a compound word. Then you have to act like a butterfly. Very good, children. Yes, so on. These are the things. So you are having many activities. You can just see, and you can act like a butterfly. You can act like a cat, and you can act like a peacock also. Okay. These are the activities. You can do it with your hands. Okay. Yes, very good. See, these are the things. Very good, children. So you have to do these all things. Okay. So this is the thing. We have finished common noun, proper noun, and compound noun. Yes. Okay. In our next video, we are going to do still videos. About I'll tell about the nouns, different nouns. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much. See you. Bye bye. Take care.